Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can do text to speech on Instagram. So for that you need to open up your profile, then go to Reels and then click on this option of camera. After that you need to record your screen or any video that you want to record. So we know that how we can do it. I'm taking this small example of it. So I will just click on next, and after that let me add a text over here. Like and subscribe, click on done, and after that on the bottom left hand side you will see the text over here. Just click on it and you will be provided an option to edit it, and you can also see that there will be an option of text to speech. When you click on it, you will be provided with two options to choose voice 1 or voice 2, and this is how you can convert or change text to speech on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.